finally that time. Ziplining for the first time, man. I don't know if they're gonna let me hold my camera though. I don't think so.
The clip.
Am I allowed to hold the camera? Oh. The brothers are all ready. All going down there. That's nice, man.
Who's your talk to like your not advisor, leader? Okay.
You don't want it too tight because when you get on there, it's
It's gone, yeah. It's
you
gone.
gonna feel it.
You gone.
Thank you so much.
You're not.
I'm about to, bro. Last time I took him out, bro, I didn't even do it. I went all the way up.
You got it, bro.
I went all the way up.
How did that feel?
It's a nice thrill.
It's nice
You
thrill?
feel scared afterwards.
Oh, really?
Like when this like a little, they have the weird little cart over there.
Yeah.
That you stand on afterwards. I was shaking on it, bro.
Oh.
That was after.
But like when you get down there, the impact is crazy, right?
Oh yeah, it's I didn't.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready for that at all.
That's why I'm like, maybe, yeah, I shouldn't take
That's
it.
why they tell you to lean back.
No one told me. No, I don't think anybody.
He just told us
to hop off.
Why are they not going yet? Samuel's about to go. Okay. Samuel is coming. Samuel! Yo!
Any last words?
May Allah keep me safe.
Inshallah. How you guys feel, man?
You know, alhamdulillah, bro. I thought I was really about to lose it for a second.
The last impact,
That
right?
John got quick.
I know. Like at the end, it just
And then I saw that. I'm like, wait, how am I about to
hit my head, bro. I thought it was about to fall.
We're going all the way up there. This is about to be crazy. Let's go, Abdullah! Nice. I'm about to be up there soon too. This is mad, fam. Swinging
upstairs.
upstairs. Thank you. There's people swinging here. That is cool right there. We're going upstairs, man. Oh shoot, I'm going the wrong way. Supposed to go this way. Oh. Oh man. This goes all the way up. I'm already tired walking up here. Come on. You guys ready?
It's good, bro.
Too much. I'm using my phone to film this part.
Why?
I give them my camera so they could film it. Why? Because I don't want to have my camera while doing. They said the impact is crazy when you get to the end.
Relying on just a magnet? That would be crazy.
I mean, yeah, but you can just hold it like that too, you know.
Oh, hold it.
It's not like you're holding the zip line itself.
But when is the impact down there that's like, I'm just like,
Yeah.
if I make the impact, it might just fly off. So just to be safe.
The phone matters less.
No, I'm not going to hold the phone. I'm just using my phone to get this POV right now.
What are you gonna put? Where are you gonna put it? Oh, you have a zipper. You're gonna zip it up after?
Yeah, I'll zip it up.
Oh, okay.
So this is what it looks like.
First time right here.
Yeah, first time.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm doing. First time, zip line it.
The impact is not like when you're on it. It's actually not as bad as like it looks. Like it looks like you're being yanked, right? It's not gonna be like that. But it's gonna. You'll feel some like.
Yeah,
It's not gonna be crazy though.
that's only said like when you get to the end.
Yeah.
Like you just go boom.
Yeah.
Like it's like.
Man, you'll be good though.
When I was
Yeah.
ziplining, they had like a landing platform, so you have to like kind of catch and run your steps.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Some of them, yeah.
Yeah.
But this one's not as big, so this one doesn't need that much.
Wait, so it's two people go at the same time, right? This is a nice view too.
Zipping both sides.
Sheikh Umar, you ready? Yes, sir. Sheikh Umar has no words, man.
Step down to the road. There. You're on those black bars, keep up the ability. When I do say go, you're just gonna walk off and lift your feet up. Don't do anything that's gonna hurt you or someone else. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go.
Oh shoot! You all up into that trolley.
I gotta go now.
Stay right there.
Oh, stay. Push my
Yeah,
back.
I just got my back turned to you.
Oh, okay. I'm going with Murad. Murad, you ready? You ready, bro?
Please black bar here.
scared.
You bit scared?
Yeah.
Now we got this, bro.
You're gonna come up now.
First time. I'm gonna stop the camera soon. By the way, just.
You're what?
I said I'm gonna stop filming soon.
Alright.
I'm just okay. You ready?
Yes. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Up to yellow right there.
Oh shoot. The process, man. This is crazy. All right. Okay.
For this.
All right. Time to let this go. Peace.
Raheem.
Watch this one. Oh, he was screaming. He was bitching the whole time. I don't know what he said. All
How did you feel, man?
But I felt good. I feel like I could go again, bro.
Go ahead.
I felt good.
Yeah,
The impact was like right here, but wasn't too crazy.
I know.
Kind of, you know what I'm saying?
Same. I almost hit my head on the thing.
Really?
Yeah, because I didn't lean back.
Because yeah, they told me to lean back. I mean, they did not tell me to lean back, but he
Yeah.
said to lean back, so that helped. He was scared. He was scared. We were supposed to go at the same time.
He waited.
Who, me?
Why were you screaming, bro?
That's what you know.
Ron, how was it?
Well, it was so fun.
What was you saying up there, though? I heard you mumbling. Huh?
I was hungry. That's fun.
I heard you saying something up there.
Let's go, Imran. Imran, how you feeling, bro? How was that for you? How was it? Good. How do you go from being scared to doing it for the second time, bro?
By Allah.
By Allah.
Allah.
That's good, bro. But like the first time is so nice, I had to do it twice. Exactly, bro. All right, first time ziplining was a success. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much and peace.